Northern Blossom Farm in Benguet, Philippines, is a must-visit for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Located at 2,200 meters above sea level in Atok, this picturesque spot offers surreal, breathtaking views of mountains draped in blooming flowers. Upon arrival, the cool mountain air and delicate flower scents greet you. The farm showcases a diverse array of roses, snapdragons, larkspurs, and sunflowers, creating a stunning colour mosaic against the misty mountain backdrop. Walking through the farm feels dreamlike. The trails lead you to panoramic views of the Cordillera mountain ranges, where the famous Mount Pulag can be seen in the distance. Small cottages and spots designed for photoshoots dot the area, inspiring visitors to capture the serene beauty around them. The combination of the crisp mountain air, the tranquil environment, and the explosion of natural colour makes Northern Blossom a truly enchanting destination. If you arrive in the early morning, you'll likely witness the sea of clouds, a phenomenon unique to areas of high altitude. Surrounded by cool temperatures and nature's masterpiece, it becomes a moment of calm reflection, and you'll feel as though you're far removed from the hustle and bustle of the city.
Ay mga katito niya, dito tayo sa Northern Blossom. At dito makikita mo iba't ibang klase ng bulaklak. At meron pa ako dito na natag ko siya na, na parang frozen plants. Nasa dito na, frozen plants nila. Okay, so makikita nyo. Wifey, where are you? Yun, sa background ko si Wifey. Wifey, say hi. Hi. Yun. So makikita nyo yung mga ba't ibang klaseng bulaklak. Ang gaganda. Right?
Northern Blossom isn't just a flower farm, it's an experience. It's a blend of natural beauty, peace, and cultural charm that makes visiting Atok truly unforgettable.
Ano masasabi mo, Wifey, sa lugar ng Northern Blossom?
Wow, iba ba?
What can you say?
Amazing.
Awesome. Ayun dala sister sa likod to. Yeah, getting all the moments. So yan. Roses for my wifey. Ito na yung mga roses na cabbages para sa'yo. Wow! Wow! Cabbage! Roses! Bakit ako? Ang ganda. Yan, cabbage roses. At ang background niya ay yan, cabbage roses. At ang background namin ay mga bulbundukin. Ooh! Calendula, marigold, pot, flowers. Pot marigold ang halamang ito, ang bulaklak ito. Ito na sa Northern Blossom. guys.
Bibigyan pa namin sa isa.
Welcome to my vlog. Hindi na natin mapuntahan yun. Sobrang lalim na. Pero madami pa rin nagpapapicture sa lugar na yun. Yun. Kita niyo yun. Yun. Ano ba? So, ito yung Atok. One of the best adventure pag pupunta ka dito sa Benguet. Dulo na to.
Dito tayo ba sa isa lang sa pangalan mo rin yung blossom.
Dito? So, here. Northern Blossom. Look. So beautiful. So nice. Alright. Ito to CR to exit na.
CR na to CR.
Maraming salamat mga katitumial hanggang sa muling paglalakbay. Dito lang ako sa Northern Blossom sa Atok, Benguet.